Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks AI. This powerful tool is transforming financial management by seamlessly integrating artificial intelligence into your accounting processes. It's designed to learn from your unique business data and patterns, tailoring its functionality to meet your specific needs. For small and medium-sized businesses, this means a significant simplification of accounting tasks, freeing up valuable time and resources. Get ready to discover how QuickBooks AI can become your most efficient financial assistant. QuickBooks AI offers incredible features to streamline your operations. It automates repetitive data entry and categorizes transactions with an impressive 85 to 95% accuracy after training. You can anticipate cash flow up to 90 days in advance, helping you make informed decisions. Plus, it sends smart, personalized invoice reminders, which can help you get paid an average of 5 days faster. These tools also generate customized financial reports, offering deep insights for strategic planning. Getting started with QuickBooks AI is straightforward. First, connect all your business bank accounts, credit cards, and payment processors to provide the AI with comprehensive data. As the system begins to suggest transaction categorizations, it's crucial to review and approve them. This process helps the AI learn your specific business patterns, improving its accuracy over time. Make sure to explore the new AI-powered banking page, designed for efficient transaction management and insights. To truly maximize efficiency, leverage QuickBooks AI agents like the accounting agent and payments agent for automated bookkeeping and optimized payment collection. The system's anomaly detection helps you catch errors quickly, ensuring your financial records are accurate. By accessing real-time insights, you can make smarter, data-backed decisions for your business's future. Many users report saving between 5 and 12 hours per month on routine bookkeeping tasks, allowing you to focus on growth and strategic initiatives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.